So welcome back to the 6th tutorial on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. In this tutorial, we are gonna solve the last layer. I mean the last cross first. So it's basically like the first cross we solved in the 3rd tutorial. Just that the algorithms to solve it are more and they are different. So there are 3 cases. This is the first case. So I'd like you to do this algorithm. F R U R I U I F I, and you get this. So that's for case 1, and this is case 2. So you see an L, so you have to turn the L such that it's like an arrow facing this. So do the same algorithm, and you have a line. So make sure the line is always horizontal, and we are done for case 2. So case 3, there may be a line like this or like this. So if it's like this, just do it. However, if the line is facing this way, you must turn it horizontally. So now we have to align the cross, the center edges, the center edge pieces of the cross, such that they are matching all the colors of the center pieces. So just do this algorithm. So R U R I U R U U R I, and just keep repeating it until they've been aligned like this. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and give me your feedback in the comments below. And sorry about the bad quality of this tutorial, because I've just woken up and I'm recording this. So thanks for watching.